to stop.
Which one stop?
This one stop.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, you can only do this at my house with me. All right, no other car, only me, and only on my farm because you don't have a license, so you can't go on the road. Okay, only at my farm.
Where's the farm?
This farm right here.
This one over there?
No, this is my whole farm, the whole place. Okay, so that's stop. Push the brake.
This?
No, the brake, the one I just showed you.
This?
Yeah. Push it all the way down. Okay, now take your foot off the brake and you steer like this. Okay? And you could push the gas a little bit. The gas is the other one.
This one?
No,
This
that
one?
one, yeah. Little bit.
Use this?
Yeah. See a little bit?
You're not good, huh? You're not good, huh?
Drive over here.
Okay.
Okay.
And on the right?
Yeah, straight. That way. No, straight. Push the gas a little bit.
Right. You're good, Robert, huh?
Not yet.
Alright.
Push the gas a little.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah.
And what?
We're gonna turn around the pond.
Here?
Yeah, turn. Some
Right?
more gas. Don't turn yet. I don't want to go in the pond.
Oh.
Okay, gas. Push the gas. Okay, straight that way.
Gotcha. Turn straight, huh?
Going straight.
That's for you to stop, okay?
I'll tell you when to stop. You don't have to stop yet. Drive straight and then
Okay.
keep going straight. Now turn that way. Turn to the right.
This way?
Yeah. Okay, now straighten the wheel out. Go that way. Go that. Go to the left a little.
Did that good?
Yep. Turn. Don't hit the tree.
Did that good, huh?
Yep. Drive toward your sister over there.
Get on the way? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I turn this way?
Yeah.
Alright. Just out of the way.
Push the gas a little.
For this?
Yeah.
Woo! That baby.
Okay, you want to turn, not hit the fence. You
There
don't want to hit
you
the
go.
fence. Okay. Don't.
Okay.
The brake stops. Yeah.
There
Okay.
we go.
Ooh, you're stressing me out for a second. Okay, drive around that tree there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on. Just you push the gas a little, and then steer this as you go. That's too much. Look at these sheep are watching you. They're like,
Yep,
what the
they're
heck's this?
rushing me.
What the heck's this guy doing?
The guy going to robbing. Now you turn, huh?
Yeah, turn.
Okay. too much. Right?
Okay. Yeah, push the gas a little.
Okay. Water right here.
Okay. Go drive toward your sister again.
Okay. So straight, huh?
Yeah, straight toward her.
I see her.
You see her?
Yep.
But you have to turn the wheel to point toward her a little.
Look good?
That was pretty good. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Turn. We don't want to hit a tree.
Nope.
Okay, go over here around that big pile.
This?
Yeah. We'll go around it. Around it that way.
Around the bushes there?
Yeah, around the bushes. Not too, you're turning too soon. Because we don't want to crash into it, right?
Nope.
That would ruin
Not
my
at
truck.
all.
That'd ruin my truck. Alright, go.
Alright. Like that, huh?
Yeah. I'll drive that way.
Okay. It is on me. Go straight.
Yeah, try and go straight.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Alright.
Where are you going?
I did it the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way, yeah, I know.
Now, back here again. Okay.
Push the gas a little bit.
Okay. That's your car.
Not too hard, no.
I want you to find out.
We're gonna. You ready to park it?
Yeah, we're trying to park.
You ready to stop?
Yeah.
Okay, go up a little more.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah. Okay, right here, push the brake. Push the brake. The other one. Push the brake. Okay. Now, no, hold the brake. So I can hold the brake down all the way. Okay, we gotta put it in park. Okay, now we turn it off right here. Okay, can you do this in Mom's car?
Yeah.
No, because you don't have a license, right?
Nope.
Where can you do this?
Your house.
With
You.
With me only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, not by yourself.
Nope.
Okay, only with me.
Yep.
Okay, get it out that way so I could get out. Did you like driving the truck?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Were you scared?
No.
Okay. Can you drive on the road?
No.
Can you drive Mom or Dad's truck?
Nope.
Whose truck can you drive?
Yours.
And who has to be there with you?
You.
Okay. Just want to make sure you remember that.
I remember that.
Because you don't have a driver's license, so you can't go on the road.
Nope.
Right? Just where?
On the grass.
On the grass on my farm, right?
Yep.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you have fun?
Who's the best brother? You. That's right. Who is the #1 brother of the year?
Keaton.
Oh, you are? All right.
I did 2 brothers.
Oh, 2 brothers. We're tied for best brothers?
Yes. You mean.
Okay. Okay.
That's